Welcome back. Now, one of the other ways for you to promote your book is going to be to have some kind of author blog where you can keep track of what your readers are saying about your book, as well as any fans or followers. The most well-known way to do that is to build a WordPress website. And you can start by going to a site like GoDaddy, getting a domain name and hosting, and then using a WordPress solution right out of the box. And ultimately, you can start a WordPress site at a very simple level just to keep track with your readers. Another way to do this without as much blogging and without as much to do is going to be to use a site at blogger.com. And if you log into your Google account, all you'll need to do is to go to the drop-down arrow and create a new blog. Now, Blogger is free of charge. You can also use a site like Wix. Now, in addition to having your author blog, you're also going to want to have some kind of email marketing list so that you'll be able to communicate with your subscribers as well as your readers. If cost is a concern as you're starting out, MailChimp is free for the first 2,000 subscribers. There are also popular and low-cost alternatives such as GetResponse and Aweber. Now, one of the things you'll notice when you create a blog at a site like Blogger is that you will have blogspot.com at the end of your domain name. Now, what this means is that you will be able to keep your focus on what you're doing in terms of your writing and not so much on designing your site. What you're doing here is you're communicating with your readers. Now, if you are a little more technical and you feel comfortable using something like WordPress and you want to work with the theme and keep your website updated, you can use a solution like that. Otherwise, you'll want to consider using a solution that's going to be easiest for you to use and to keep up with your writing. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.